Welcome to Neurodiversipedia, where we explain all those big, complicated words pertaining to neurodiversity in ways that everybody can understand.
Aided language stimulation is basically a fancy term for modeling something, especially for kids who are learning how to use an AAC device. AAC devices are kind of like a talker for kids who are nonverbal, who are learning how to speak. So this aided language stimulation is basically a strategy to help kids learn the meaning of words. Here's how it works. Basically, if you've got a bunch of pictures on an iPad or on a table, maybe you've got a bunch of cue cards laid out on the table, you're going to point to the word that you're speaking out loud to show the child a visual aid that represents the meaning of the word while they also hear it. So they're seeing a physical representation of the word while also hearing how it sounds. This will help kids understand the meaning of words, but also use them on their own AAC devices as they're practicing. For kids who are learning how to use AAC or learning language in general, the idea of modeling is actually really important to their learning process. So if a parent, for example, has an AAC device on their phone and their child also has their own tablet, it's actually really cool to be able to speak in the same language by modeling words yourself. Hang in there with me. Here's an example. Let's say you have a child who's learning how to say the word eat, and you have an AAC device in their hands, but also you have the app on your own phone. This is great because as they're learning how to use their device to speak, it's their voice, their talker, you can pull out your phone and say the word, "It's time to eat dinner." They hear the word out loud, they see you tap the word, and then they're encouraged to do the same on their device to say, "I want to eat dinner." Who can benefit from this? Kids with developmental disabilities or kids learning language in general. Can this be used in a group setting? Absolutely. You can use this with multiple people. If you're a teacher using AAC or just wanting to use the ability to model a word by speaking and pointing, you can use this in front of all of your kids. Aided language stimulation is just a great way to get kids involved and help them learn language faster.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.